our lesson, multiplying a number by 10, 100 and 1000. This is part 2. Now we will study how to make applications on multiplying by 10 and 100 and 1000 in our life. We must know that 1 pound, Egyptian pound, equals 100 piastres. LE is the abbreviation of pound, BT, piastres, abbreviation. 1 meter equal 100 centi. M is abbreviation of M, so cm is abbreviation of centimeter. When we make a change or a convert here, LE and BT, from LE to BT, then we make a convert, then we multiply 5 here times 100. Why? Because 1 pound here equals 100 piastres. Then we multiply 5 times 100. So be 500. Next, the same LE 75 equal how many piastres? We know that LE equals 100. Then we multiply the number. 75 times 100 will be 7,000 and 500. 140 pounds. Pounds here is the same LE. Then we multiply 140 times 100 because we want to convert pounds to piastres. It will be, we have now 1, 2, 3 zeros. 14 times 1 equal 14. 28 meters. We want to convert it to centi. Meter the same. 1 meter equal 100 centi. Then we multiply the number. 28 times 100 equal 2,800. Next one. 2,000 centimeter. How many meters? It's inverse. Do in the opposite way. We ask, what is the number? Multiply it by 100. What is the number here? Meter, meaning that this number multiplied by 100. What is the number? We multiply by 100 equal 2,000. If we compare, cancel 2 0 here and with 2 0. The result will be, or the remainder will be 20. Then the result will be 20. Do it as a compare. How many zeros here, how many zeros here, and the remainder. Okay? I hope it's clear. Next, complete our point here about pounds and meters. Here, how many meters equal 1,500 centimeters. It's the same idea. Now we know that's number. If we know it, multiply it by 100. The result will be 1,500. Compare between zeros here. How many zeros here? 2 and 2. If we cancel 2 0 here with 2 0 here, it will be 15. Then we wrote 15. Next one. How number multiply number. What meters? Something here. Meters equal 1,000. Now we know that we must multiply this number by 100. Then compare again. How many zeros here? 3. And how many zeros here? 2. Cancel 2 0 with 2 0. It will be 10. The remainder here 10. We wrote 10. Next. 15 meters plus 5 centimeters. It's a new one. It's different than the others. 15 meters plus 5 centimeters. Notice that we have now meters and centi to equal how many centi. Then we must change meters here by multiply 100. it will be 15 times 100. This will be its value 1500 centimeter. Then we can add centimeter to centimeter. It will be 1500 plus 5. 0 plus 5 is 5. And complete the rest of the number. It will be 1505. This question complete. 4 times 100 equal 100 times 1 equal what? Equal the result. Okay, this is, let's take it as a plates. Here, here, here. The result here must be equal, the result here must be equal, and the result here. 4 times 100, it will be 400. Number 100 times what? Equal 400. It will be 4. 4 times 100 will be 400. The result here 400. The result here when we multiply 4 times 100 is 100. 4 times 100 is 100. Again, and we notice that he exchange, replace 4 times 100 here, 100 times 4. It's called commutative. Number times 100 equal 100 times 6. Here he make commutative, change the places. 100 times 6, it will be 6 times 100. The result will be 600. The result here, 6 times 100, 600. 6 times 100 or 100 times 6 is 100. 600, sorry. And the result will be 600. The result number times 100 equal 100 times the same number. Must be this number is the same in this. Then the result 1600. If we compare between here we have 2 0 and here we have 2 0. Compare them, cancel 2 0 with 2 0, the remainder will be 16. Here 16 and the same 16 here. 16 times 100 is equal 100 times 16. 100 times what? Equal the same. Something here must be the same here. Because it's commutative, we change 100 times a number equal the same number times 100 equal 7,000. Compare now, how many zeros here? 2. How many zeros here? 3. Compare by cancelling 2 0 with 2 0 only. The remainder here 70. 70. 70. Okay? Our question about choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. 6 times 1000. 1, 2, 3, 0, and this 6. 6 times 1000 is 6000. Next. 1000 times 4 is 4000. But now here we have 4000, 4 hundreds, and 4 tens. It must be it 4000. Notice that here he don't ask the result in digits, but in letters. Next, 2 times 4 times 1000. First we must multiply. 2 times 4 will be 8. 8 times 1000. Which one? 2000 or 4000 or 8000? Correct? It will be 8000. 0 times 1000 equal what? 0, 1 or 5 or 5000. 0 multiplied by any number will be 0. This is a good situation. 4 times 1000 minus 2 times 1000 equal what? Notice that we have now subtraction operation. Subtraction, minus, between 2 multiplying. Multiplying here 4 times 1000 and 2 times 1000 again. We can let 1000 here as 1000. And subtract 4 minus 2, it will be 2. 2 times 1000 equal what? Any one of them? Yes, this. 80 100 will be 80 100 here we multiply by 100. Now how many zeros we have here? 1 2 3. The result 8000. Which one of 8000? 8 times 1000 or 8 times 100 or 80 times 10 or 8 times 1? Yes, it must be 8 times 1000 because we have here 3 0. 1 2 3. 7010. 7010. 7010s here multiply by 10. Now we have 1 2 3 4 zeros here. 1 2 3 4 zeros. Hundreds here we have 1 2 0, only 2 0. The remainder, if we make a compare 1 2 0 here with 2 0, then the result will be, the remainder will be 700. 700. Then we choose 700. 70, 700, 7000, 70,000. Please notice that we must solve to make both sides here and here, left and right, equal. 7 with 1 2 3 4 zeros, 7 with 1 2 3 4 zeros. Kilogram. 1 kilogram, we must know 1 kilogram equals 1000 gram. Then we must multiply 3 kilogram, we multiply it by 1000. Then the result will be 3000. Okay? Let's go to the next part.